How to fix auto scroll missing in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can fix the missing auto scroll feature on TikTok. So the auto scroll option on TikTok lets you watch videos without manually scrolling. And if you don't see it, here's what you can do. First of all, go ahead and open your TikTok application, log into your specific account, and check the share menu. The auto scroll feature should be at the top, and if it's not there, continue to the next steps. Go ahead and open your profile page by tapping on Profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top to go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of Report a Problem. Tap on that. Now scroll again and tap on Chat with Us, or you can select Account and Profile. You will be taken to the chat or the conversation page. Simply report a problem over here. Explain that your auto scroll option is missing and ask them to enable it. Submit the report and TikTok should now respond within a day or two. Another thing you can do is exit the TikTok application, open your device settings, scroll down and go to apps, and in iPhone you can go to general management section, go to iPhone storage, and here simply search for TikTok application. Once you find it, again scroll down and you will see the option of storage. Simply go ahead and clear the cache. But on iPhone, go ahead and upload the application and reinstall it again. This clears the app's cache and unnecessary data, giving it a fresh start. Odd cache files might be causing the issue. So these solutions should help you restore the auto scroll option. So if it did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.